Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have been watching this channel for a while, you may have caught one of the videos that we have had the drone footage in, then you know pretty much what this is. And today I'll be showing you guys an investment that I made into a drone for the channel. Now we didn't go just get any drone this time. Recently I had a drone and didn't spend a lot of money on it, and it flew away, just took off and never returned. So this time we went and got a much more expensive and better quality drone that actually returns home on its own, so we don't have to worry about it flying away. And this here we have is the DJI Mavic Mini 2. So here it is, and don't worry, I'm gonna get you guys a better shot of the drone. I'm actually going to take it out and let you guys see it in action, as far as flying and everything. And this is how it's packaged. As you see, it does have folding arms on it. It has 4 folding arms, 2 on the front, 2 on the back. It has a 4K camera, which would be great for filming on this channel. And it comes with other items. So here you have the drone on the right. On the left, that is the controller. And here we have some other items like the charging port and batteries. And you got the other box is the instructions and everything. So yeah, we have the DJI Mavic Mini 2. Is a as you see, the drone is really not that big. It's not a huge drone. Actually pretty light. This is your charging port for the drone. Your charging case with your it has 2 batteries in the case, and 1 battery actually came in the drone already. This drone has many cool features. It actually has a rotating camera that rotates up and down, so you don't have to change altitude when flying with the drone to get a better shot. I'll go ahead and take the controller out. Now this here is a huge controller, much bigger than the last DJI Mavic Mini, and it does just about everything you can think of when flying a drone. You have your camera button, your recording button, your switch to rotate the camera. It actually talks at the top of the remote. It lets out to hold your phone, and your phone actually plugs into the drone and into the controller, and the controller will charge your phone while you're flying. Now, one cool thing about this drone is that it has 3 batteries. Each battery is capable of flying up to at least 30 to 31 minutes of flying time per battery. So that means you get about 1.5 hours of flying time with this drone. Now, of course, the drone has different modes. So if you set the drone onto sport mode, you're gonna bring that time limit down. But it's actually very fun flying in sport mode. I would only recommend it after you have gotten a great feel of how to fly the drone. So here you see we have the top of the remote extended. These are the arms that screw into the rotator, whatever you call those little pieces right there. I haven't learned all the lingo for the drone, so bear with me. And there it does let back down. So here's another shot of the controller. Now we have the drone. As you see, this is what makes this drone such one of the best drones made, is because as you see, I am not even using the controller. I'm just filming the drone with the phone, and the drone is staying in place. That's it. That's all I'm doing. Just filming, walking around, filming with it. It is windy outside, so you may see it, tremble a little bit or move just a little bit, but it will come right back into place where I originally left it. Let me know what you guys think of this drone down in the comment section below, and I will leave a link to if you want to purchase one and just see what the price is on a drone like this. Then it will be down in the description below, and just click on it, check it out. If you decide to buy one, hey, click on the link and it'll take you right to it. And I thank you guys for watching the video. And there will definitely be more to come with this drone. And of course, we're going to be using it to film the cars and other automobiles we have on the channel.